Hey guys, today we have this unknown blank key, not blank key, unknown key cut, and we don't know what kind of car is it. So I'm going to show you how to use the Universal Key Duplication, and using the Key Tool Max, and also this Dolphin xp005 we have. Alright, so it looked like a Honda to me, but we're gonna use this one. It looked like a Honda XU001. So first, let's go to Dolphin. Here, Key Tool Max, Universal Key Duplication. And the way this looks like is that outside blade. This one, 4-track. See that? That's what it looked like. So we're gonna use the 4-track external, and let's go do the top. We can use the top line. If you want to, we can pick that either one. For the top line, we can use the M2A clamp. M2A clamp. So that's what we can use. So we can pick that one. M2A clamp. And make sure it says put it on the bottom line. All right, let's go ahead. All right, let's open this. It says here put it on that line, and the second line that it has the bottom. Make sure it's flat. There you go. That's there. So we have that line, make sure it's tight, and then what we can do, decode the key. Alright, this one says please make sure that our key is clean. So what we're gonna do is go remove this one. Let me get a wire brush real quick. It says make sure it's clean because it's not. So I'm gonna clean that real quick. Just put it back again, and then let's go ahead attempt one more time. Decode one more time. Alright, so that's successfully decoded. Let's go ahead, Universal Key. Let me see. That's okay. Press OK. Let's go ahead and remove this one now and put the blank key that we have. Alright, so that one is decoded. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut key See, there's an option to cut key now, but let's go ahead and put the blank key that we have, put it right here, right, the same spot that we have. So you can see it's right there, same spot. Make sure it's tight. Then let's go ahead, cut key, and telling us where to go. Same spot. Continue. Alright, that is cut. I'm gonna clean this up. Open it. Let's see. Let's go ahead and compare it real quick with our original braid key. It should be about the same. So we got, because we have two sides, we gotta cut it both sides. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this side real quick. Then just put it there, and then this one says okay. Cut key again one more time, make sure it's tight, then continue. Alright, so that's good. Clean it up real quick. Remove it. That's it, guys. That's it. Let's go ahead and check the other one we have. All right, that's how you cut them. Cut this one. So universal key decode, because actually this key is going to the Philippines. So this is the extra key we have. Change it to. It's pretty neat, right? All right, guys, that's how you use the universal key decode for the Key 2 Max and the Dolphin key cutting machine. Now, it's not a wiggler. It's a pretty good key now. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Till next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.